non-severe storms for now have made their way into Cumberland County. This is atop City Hall looking north down Main Street. We see the flags blowing. We've got rain across the area. And some of the rain's heavy, especially near Crab Orchard. That's east on 40. And then we're starting to see some storms develop back towards the west as well. And those are ones we're really going to be keeping a close eye on. They're kind of coming out of Middle Tennessee and approaching the plateau. It's ahead of a slow-moving front. You see those storms developing, and a whole line is going to be pushing east over the next couple of hours. And this cell I'm really kind of keeping a close eye on. To put it in perspective, there's Cumberland County right here. So this cell, it kind of has that bow to it. That's what I'm going to keep a close eye on. We're going to talk about the Taylor's Community 623. These are all central times. Ravenscroft around 626. It's moving quickly at about 50 miles per hour off towards the east-northeast. So we're probably 20 minutes away or so from that possibly getting extended, that warning maybe into Cumberland County, and then could impact portions of Fentress, Scott, and Morgan counties within the hour. So just something I'll keep a close eye on here. 6 Timeline's done a pretty good job with the estimation of the timing of these showers and storms. And so really between now and about 10 o'clock is our best option there. And then it turns into more of a rain event for most areas. So our greater risk of severe storms is kind of where we've been saying, portions of the plateau. Then it's a wind and rain event. You can see the cold front here, 60 in Knoxville, but 39 at Jamestown. That's 2 o'clock in the morning. And then the showers taper off closer to daybreak tomorrow. And it's starting to get much cooler across the area. In fact, not a huge warm up for tomorrow. You want to keep the jacket handy. Here's where I think flooding may be a bigger concern across the area. These are rainfall estimates that we've seen since midnight. We've got some 2 to nearly 3-inch estimates. This is Morgan County, Southern Scott, and into Campbell counties, and that's a lot of rainfall just since midnight. And we can see some additional 1 to 2 inch plus totals across the area, and that includes much of the metro at some 2 to maybe 2.5 inch estimates. So that's something we'll have to follow carefully as we go through tonight. So yes, there is a risk of some scattered strong to severe storms, mainly for our plateau counties, but just about anybody has the risk of seeing some locally heavy rainfall for tonight. And as I mentioned, tomorrow we are drier after the morning, but it's breezy and cold. Temperatures kind of hovering near the 40-degree mark, if not dropping a little later in the day towards the evening hours. So make sure you keep the jacket handy for tomorrow. You're definitely going to need it. So here's kind of what we're looking at across southeast Kentucky. 38 in Barberville, 38 in Middlesboro, 39 in Harlan. And then temperatures back across the plateau will be chilly as well. Maybe a light rain snow mix for some, a flurry or two possible, but no accumulations. 41 for a high in La Follette and 38 up there into Scott County. We're 42 in Knoxville, 46 in Madisonville, and we've got 45 degrees in Athens. Mountains may hold on to that light rain snow mix as well, but temperatures will continue to drop there as we go through the day. So again, risk of some scattered strong to severe storms this evening for our plateau counties, then breezy and colder overnight into tomorrow. Temperatures only near 40 throughout the day. A little better into the weekend. A cold start Saturday at 26, but we'll rebound to 58 Sunday. And by the time we get to next week, we're seeing temperatures push into the mid to upper 60s, if not low 70s for highs by the time we get to next Thursday. So we got to get through the next couple of hours for our severe threat, and then some heavy rain potential a little later into tonight.
All right, Ken, thank you very much.